YouTube, your boy, not your average hybrid, back with a video. Today is the day, guys. Say bye-bye to the fin. I know what you guys want to hear, though. As you can see, rainy day. Unfortunate. But like I was saying, guys, yeah, today is the day. Taking the car up here to the dealership. Let's get the Driveshaft recall issue finally repaired. So, put the request in probably like a month and a half ago. Guess they've been pretty booked up or short on supplies. So I'm finally able to get in there. But unfortunately, they called maybe like two and a half weeks ago, informing me that they no longer do loaner vehicles. So let me know down in the comments, guys, is that something your Infiniti dealership is now doing? Because, you know, the times, the shortage and everything, you know, everything's going on with the car market. But yeah, he informed me that I guess they no longer do car loaners. So I was, you know, drop the car off and, you know, get a loaner vehicle until my car is done. I'm guessing it'll take like maybe 1 or 2 days from probably what the guy was saying, but I guess it all depends on if they got the part in and how the mechanics working. But yeah, so I guess these got like an Uber or Lyft program, so I guess they can give me an Uber or Lyft back home, and then when my car is done, they can just give me an Uber or Lyft back to the dealership. I guess that's a little bit cheaper for them, but you know, of course I would rather the loaner vehicle so I can have my own transportation and stuff. It is what it is. So, enough rambling. See you guys when I get up here and let you know how it goes, guys. But yep, the fin's gonna be gone. Hopefully. Maybe I feel a difference in performance, but I mean, it doesn't feel bad now, so I mean, if it feels better, great. Yeah, if it feels worse, that's a problem. But I mean, it's still going smooth as is. I got 84,000 miles currently, so yeah, I guess I'll see when I get there. Alrighty, YouTube, as you can see, we back in the fin. Alright, so long story short, I dropped it off yesterday, right? Well, I was supposed to drop it off yesterday. They had me an appointment set and everything, you feel me? Waiting, you feel me, like a month and a half. No loaner. But yeah, I get there, you feel me? Set up an appointment, boom. Whole time, they gotta order the part. And well, peep this. Why do I have to keep reminding y'all that it's not an airbag issue? So I'm like, yeah, you know, it's gonna take like 2 or 3 days to get it fixed. You gotta take the whole dash apart. I'm like, take my dash apart for my drive shaft? It's like, oh, wait, let me make sure we're on the same page. Yeah, make sure, because if you were to fix my airbag and not fix my drive shaft, that'd have been a problem. Because nothing's wrong with my airbag, I mean, nothing wrong with my drive shaft, but that's the recall, so. But, long story short, I brought it there yesterday, had to drive all the way back home because they had to order the part. But luckily they called me next day, so I brought it there 7 a.m. as soon as they opened up, and they got me done within like 4 hours. I thought it was going, guys said it was gonna take like a day, 2 at the max. Took a few hours, so pretty happy with those results. And yes, sir, guys, so I got that recall done on the drive shaft. I ain't gonna lie, driving it do feel, I mean, there's not really wrong with it, but I guess it do feel a little bit smoother, and I would say a little bit quicker. So brand new drive shaft, got me feeling good. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Got my drive shaft done. Let's go there to the dealership. You know, don't want to mess with those dealerships. You know, they be taxing But yeah, finally got that done, guys. So now we back in motion. More mods coming soon. You feel me? But don't forget on the maintenance, guys. Maintenance is key, or your mods won't even last long. So keep that in mind. But yeah, until next time, guys. Your boy.